Hi everyone, would you like to see what was in the May Bespoke box, which was the Harvest Moon theme? I've got a little unboxing here to show you, so stick around if you want to see exactly what was inside. Thank you for joining me here today. I hope you're all as excited as I am to do an unboxing. I know a lot of you had missed out this time around. We're trying to increase the numbers a bit each month. I think it was around the 40 mark this month. We're increasing it to around the 50 to 55 for the following, the next month's coming. So just trying to get that happy medium so that we get enough fabric in that's all the same and then you're all happy with the goodies inside. So let's get going. I know this is what you're here for. You all love to see a bit of an unboxing because I personally love watching people unboxing and unwrapping gifts. I think it's especially lovely to see people doing it when they don't know what's inside, although I do know what's inside because I've picked it. If you would like to do something like this, be sure to share on Instagram. Just tag the Dahlia Society and use the hashtag Bespoke Sewing Box. And I would love for you to share that so you can show everyone exactly how much you love your box. And also, if you've made any garments with the fabric that's inside, I would love for you to also share that on social media. That would be fantastic. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. First thing you'll see is my signature tissue paper, which is this burgundy color. And I have put a little postcard for each month with a theme on top. This one is Harvest Moon. Now this is a very famous painting. I'll pop the artist's name up here so you can see, but I just love the imagery. I'm trying to use either a bit of artwork or a theme. Also used a song for this one as well. Once you turn it over, you'll see the Neil Young song Harvest Moon on the back and the lyrics there. And I've also used a cute little peg, just trying to come up with some themes. I think it's really nice to have something a bit different each month to surprise you all. I've also used a label from So Crafty Girl, who's over on Etsy. I will link her store. Fantastic me-made labels. Now underneath that is a QR code for the video. I won't be showing you that because it's a secret, but it has a QR code and also a discount code for the pattern of the month, which was the Marsha style Aliyah shirt or shirt dress. Now that was a collab Marsha style did with So La La, which is a German pattern company. They've come together to collab to do a fantastic dress pattern, shirt pattern. There's so many variations. I'm going to be popping out some photos on Instagram of what I've made with the fabric as well. But I love how many variations there are. I've used the traditional shirt style with the collar and the pocket on the front too, but love how it came up in the fabric in here. So getting back to the tags, definitely head on over to Etsy to see So Crafty Gal and her beautiful labels. So Sewing Queen. I love me-made labels. I'm trying to show some different me-made labels each month as well, just to promote some small businesses because these ladies all do a fantastic job. And we all love a bit of variety in our sewing labels as well. So that is a little postcard. Okay, so in the box we go. We'll open it up. We'll lift the tissue paper off, and this is exactly how it looks when you unveil it all. Hopefully you can see that on there. I'm going to firstly show the little edible of the month, which was from Ali's Gourmet Confectionery. This stuff is the most addictive thing you will ever eat. It is the most yummy salted caramel popcorn. She also does a maple popcorn. Sophie is one I've been talking to, and actually I had a lot of samples sent, which was a bit naughty. There was an amazing pop bang bar, which was like popcorn and chocolate, which was incredible, like a slab. Definitely not for those on a diet, but that's delicious, that popcorn. There's also things like fudge and coconut ice, and she does do deliveries as well. So I will link her store. I love finding these people that put so much love and care into their little businesses, but can definitely vouch for that. It is very, very addictive. And this kind of stuff you won't find in your local supermarket. It is more handmade artisan makers. I'm trying to find these little small businesses to help promote their products, but that stuff is just amazing. So the beverage of the month is the Madame Flavour Maple Caramel Tea. Now, I love Madame Flavour. I've been buying her teas for years. She's actually a Melbourne-based business as well. And Diana from Madame Flavour, she has so many different varieties. She also has beautiful little leaflets. When you open up the package, you'll see a beautiful little poem from her thanking you for buying her tea. And she really has some fantastic flavours, but very, very good quality tea. If you're fussy with your teas, I think you're going to really enjoy the Madame Flavour. And look at the package, you know, it's so beautiful. And it really matches the whole autumnal harvest moon theme that I was going for. So you'll get quite a few, and there's 14 tea bags there, so definitely lots to keep you going. I'm trying to find, I have got a few things planned out for the next few months, some really exciting small businesses for beverages. Of course, if you like a hot beverage this time of year, yeah, it's really exciting what's coming up for the June and July boxes. But Madame Flavour, definitely a favourite. And you'll know too, when you purchase from an online store with fabric, you get a tea bag popped in and a little bicky just as a treat. But I use the Madame Flavour tea bags as a treat for my people who buy fabric. It's just really nice to have a little gift in there. The little gingerbread bicky, of course, same as last month. These for autumn are really lovely little sweet baked specular bickies. Everyone loves those. The scented gift of the month, which was a boutique brand this month. Last time I used Candle. This month I've used one of my favourite cosmetic boutique brands. That's an Aussie company called More, M-O-R. And you may know them. They've been around for quite some time. I've bought a lot of their products over the years and I really love the packaging as well as the quality of their goods. This is like a lip balm and it's an apple flavoured lip balm. And yeah, they do have quite a few different varieties and different scents in those, but really lovely scented. Their soaps are amazing. So are the candles and their body lotions as well. But that apple lip balm I thought really suited the theme this month. So that's a really nice handy one to keep in your handbag as well if you have dry lips. It's also a lovely, lovely scent on that too. The little Sewing Notion goodies. Okay, I've got a little autumn leaf on there as well, just to carry on with the theme. And you'll find in here the Goodman thread, which will match the fabric really nicely. So that's sort of giving away a bit of the colour theme. And you'll see on the images that I've put up on the website too, to give you guys a bit of a hint. If you like the look of the images and the colouring in there, you probably will like the fabric as well. This is another little treat that I love. Look, some of my kids don't like them, the others do, but my hubby and I really like them. They're little eucalyptus Aussie drops. They're not like the cough lolly drops, which are really more strong and mentholy. These are more of a sweet treat, just to sort of freshen the mouth up as well. But I really love these, and they're really nice to carry around in the bag as well. They're kind of slightly more sour than the normal eucalyptus drops you might find, but these are lovely to munch on. The other little Sewing Notion is some little hemline buttons, and you'll see the green little textured buttons there with a bit of gold on them as well. These will match perfectly, and I've included 9 buttons, so I've stuck an extra one on each packet just so you all have enough to do the pattern that I've made if you so wish, which was the Aaliyah shirt dress from Marsha Style. And let's get down to the fabric because I know you're all waiting to see that. So the fabric for the month was a beautiful, soft cotton fabric. Very lovely, soft, almost a gauze-like weight. And it is in a beautiful check, Madras check. And I love the colouring in that. I just think it is absolutely stunning. It is just, straight away, I just gravitated towards that. The colouring, not only with the greens, but also the beautiful plum colours. And it looks fantastic with jeans. I'll pop up some pics of what I made, which was the Aaliyah shirt with this fabric. And I think it matches really well with the buttons as well, the green buttons. But the weight of it is just beautiful. As I say, it's a really soft cotton. It's got a beautiful weight, so it is quite kind of cozier weight, more than what a gauze would be. But it has got that really softness to it, so it'll be perfect in a dress as well. There's 2.5 meters there, so you are able to make yourself either a shirt or a shirt dress, or a dress, or even a skirt would be lovely in that. I even suggested a shacket style long shirt that buttons through would be perfect as well. And I've done a kind of a billowy bishop sleeve on my pattern, and having that much fabric is really great because it does give you different options to make some different things. But I would love to see if any of you got this box. I would love to see what you've made. So even if you send me an email with a picture, if you didn't want to post it on a public social media forum, I'm happy to have a look. I would love to see what you've made. I'm dying to see what the makes are coming out from the Bespoke boxes. But that is my Harvest Moon theme fabric. And checks are really in at the moment. They're very, very fashionable. A lot of the, as I said, the check shacket style things are coming in for people for wearing them over the top of maybe a knitted jumper. I'm going to wear my shirt with like a cream kind of cable knit jumper. I think that the colours look beautiful with cream and with denim as well, and some little tan kind of cowboy boots. But that is the box for the month for Harvest Moon. I hope you've enjoyed seeing the unboxing. And if you guys are interested in buying a box, don't forget it's the second Sunday of the month. The next box drop will be on the 12th of June, 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. And I did have a couple of Americans. This time we had 3 from America. We've had a couple from New Zealand. Sometimes I do have to change around what's in the box depending on the international customs. I think a lot of places do have certain prohibited items you're not allowed to send in. And I think one of them was tea bag, which was the Americans. I had to substitute the tea bags for something else. And so sometimes I'll have to do that just to make sure we can get the box off to you guys safely and it doesn't get held up with having prohibited items, because as I say, every country has their own things that are not allowed to come through customs. And unfortunately, tea bags was one. And also seeds and grains and cereals, sometimes they don't let through either. So we've had to swap the popcorn out for something else as well. But I think from talking to a lot of the American ladies that the things that you've got, you really didn't mind what came through. I've put in some other little personalised things in there as well. So this time I swapped out the popcorn for some Byron Bay little shortbread cookies. And I think I swapped out the tea bags for the soaps that you would have got, some beautiful Indigenous branded soap. So yeah, things will have to change, as I say, to try and make up for the differences depending on things like your customs. Yeah, it can get very involved when you're trying to send things from one country to another to make sure things don't get held up, because we don't want to be waiting any longer for the boxes than we already do. And I think from what I've heard, things are starting to speed up a tiny bit with the international postage, which is fantastic. So you guys won't have to wait quite as long. Don't forget all the boxes are tracked as well, tracking numbers, so they're easy to trace. If you haven't received them, you can see exactly where in transit they are. So I'm really happy with how things are going with the boxes. As I say, I've got heaps of plans, pretty much the rest of the year planned out for different themes. I'm trying to swap around things like with the fabrics, what kind of compositions they are, maybe if they're dressier, if they're more casual, different prints. So far, I haven't put any plains in. I just think unless I can find something that's really going to pop out and stand out to me, I would rather give you guys options for unique prints. And that way it gives you guys a bit of an alternative too. So if you're purchasing the boxes each month and you want something a little bit different, you will get that. I'm trying to keep everything interesting, keep that mystery of the boxes alive too. So I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing today. I certainly love watching them as well. If you loved anything in that box, let me know what it is. And also, definitely go and check out these independent companies, because I think it's great to support small businesses and see the love and care they put into things. And especially the popcorn, the tea bags, they're just fantastic. But I personally am going off to have a bit of a munch on some of these, because perfect time for a snack. And I hope you're all keeping really well and keeping busy with sewing, and we'll see you all soon. And don't forget the next box drop, I'll list the details below, and head over to subscribe to the newsletter if you haven't done that. That way you will be alerted for when the next box drop is coming and you won't miss out. So take care, happy sewing, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.